We're finally at the Adidas outlet. Looks like they got what, 40% off everything. Yeah. We'll find some deals. So I just talked to a staff member here because I was looking at them prices. 126 for some Ultra Boost, and apparently these are not included in the 40% off. It's all these things with the red tags. The red tags, like this one. This one's got a red tag, but it's off of 180, so it's probably about the same price. Probably the same price as that last one. It's a more Ultra Boost, $180. Maybe, and then ooh, they got some Pure Boost Goes. These are my favorites for the price. The 40% off. That's what, $60. $60. Got all kinds of sizes. Got some regular Pure Boost, $60. Dude. Got a bunch of sizes. Some weird color though, but yeah, $60, dude, for some Pure Boost. Retails at what, 120, 150, 150 or something. And the clearance area. Under the sub 02s, $60. The PODs, super comfortable PODs. Just the front just feels weird. The back part is Boost, but the front part isn't, so it feels kind of weird. Tried those on a while back. Yeah, $90 plus 40% off. Not bad. Not bad. Just don't got nothing my size. Those are 11s. These are cool. These are cool for size 11s. 59.23s. I got a couple, two of those pair. $35. That's a deal. $35. It's a deal. Nothing in size 10. Nothing in size 10. Six size 11s. Some more of those 59.23s. Two down there. Some more PODs. Size 12s in the size 12 area now. More 59.20s. Size 13s. That's pretty much about it. Nothing great yet. So they got a bunch of non-Boost stuff, which I don't know. I'm not really interested in. They got Superstars and stuff. But no, not the Superstars. The Gazelles. Stan Smiths. A few of those, but nothing too interesting. I got the old school ones, $80. That one you get 40% off though. Some of these you don't. The Gazelles, you get 40% off those. 40%, a couple different colors. The Stan Smith here. But I need Boost. Shoes. Some Grand Courts. There's some Advantage. That's a good deal. $60. $60, 40% off. I need Boost. Okay, we got more. Got some, what are these? Some kind of NMDs. They're called Boston Supers. Kind of similar to NMDs. 140% off. So that's an NMDs for $129, 40% off. Cool color. I don't think it's called the trigger though. NMDs. That's about it. Found these weird Boosts. I found these weird Boosts. They're CrossFit 2.0s. They're some laceless with the strap. Kind of ugly, but 110, that's your thing. All right, so that was a failure. Well, not really a failure, but just didn't find any good deals. It's kind of usually the way it works here. I rarely ever find any really good deals here. They had plenty of shoes, just no great deals. The Ultra Boost at $129. Ultra Boost, the 2019s at $120 something. That was a pretty good deal, but I was trying to spend over $100 on some Boost. on some Adidas, to be really honest with you. Even though I do like Adidas, but I've just found so many boot shoes for like 50, 60 bucks and shit. So I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like what you see, I'm always gonna be putting out new content. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and thanks for joining.